Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you've been following my Parasite Cleanse journey this month, you'll know that I've had great success using Wormwood, black walnut hulls, clove and neem leaf to eliminate parasites. Now, these herbs have been fantastic at getting the job done. For those of you who are new here or haven't seen the earlier videos, let me give you a quick breakdown of what these herbs do during a parasite cleanse. Now, wormwood is known for its anti-parasitic properties. Wormwood helps create an environment in the gut that parasites don't thrive in. Black walnut hulls are rich in tannins, which help to expel the parasites and support a healthier digestive system. And then cloves are a powerful herb because these kill the parasite eggs and helps prevent reinfestation. Now, neem leaf is another excellent anti-parasitic herb that supports detoxification and helps flush out the parasites. Now, these herbs together form a powerful combination for tackling parasites. And if you've been following my journey, you've seen how effective they've been for me. And if you're interested in trying this parasite cleanse with the same organic and wildcrafted herbs I've used, then head over to naturalworkshops.com. I'll put the link in the description below for you. Now, as I've mentioned, I'm in the last week of my cleanse, and now I'm focusing on something that's crucial, and that's balancing, restoring the balance in my gut. Now, after a cleanse, your gut microbiome needs some love and support. It needs to get back on track, and that's where probiotics and gut healing foods come in. So probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help regulate your gut. During a parasite cleanse, some good bacteria can be lost along with the harmful ones. So it's very important to replenish them with probiotics to restore balance. Now, sauerkraut, which I've got right here, is a fantastic fermented food packed with probiotics. Now, I've also got coconut milk, and what I'm going to do is add my probiotics to it, and I'll leave it overnight at room temperature. I'll cover the jar with the cheesecloth, and then I'll transfer it to my fridge the next morning, where it will thicken into a nice probiotic rich yogurt. So that's how I make my probiotic yogurt. However, if fermented foods aren't always your thing, now you can turn to a high quality probiotic supplement. So just make sure that you look for one with a variety of strains, especially lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Now, these are some of the best gut health supplements after a cleanse. But don't forget the prebiotics, because prebiotics are fiber that feed the probiotics, helping them thrive. Now, foods like garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, adding these to your diet will help these good bacteria flourish. And finally, it's important to stay hydrated and nourish your gut with healing foods like leafy greens and even ginger tea. Now, these can soothe inflammation and help repair the gut lining. So to wrap this up, remember that a successful parasite cleanse is just the beginning of your healing journey. By incorporating probiotics, fermented foods, and prebiotics into your routine, you'll support a healthy, balanced gut that can keep you feeling at your best. Now, I'd love for you to continue with me on this journey to finding natural solutions for maintaining good health. So if you're interested in natural health solutions for your well-being, come and join our Live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join, and we have a fantastic discussion on well-being and natural remedies. So just click the link in the description below and you'll be able to get the wildcrafted and organic herbs there too at naturalworkshops.com. But do join the Telegram group and let's get together and have these discussions, and I'll be there live as well, taking any questions. But let's build a community. Let's start taking action and talking about our health. Now, once again, I really thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. Be happy, stay healthy, and be wise.